Hi guys, welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, November the 3rd, 2021. Yes, in this additional we have 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars. 3 stars. Then we have a tectonic with 4 stars, binary puzzle, and a tectonic with 1 star. Well, those 2 puzzles I've already solved, so this will be the last one. Yes, the last one, and this will be number 3633. Yes, 3633. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, this could be a hard one because all the hard ones has 8, 9, 10, or 11 printed digits. And for a hard one, a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. 30 minutes or more. Okay, we will see. Okay, if this is really a hard one. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here a single box, always a 1. Only one single box? Yeah. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2, but I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 2. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes? Here, the triple box. And remember, if we have a triple box, the inside box, this box, near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so it can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Okay. Triple box, quadra boxes then. I see a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Here also a quadra box. I cannot fill this yet. Well, this box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Yes. All right. Quadra boxes. That means the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or construction, whatever you name it. And for the first structure or shape, the Z shape. Let me draw this, the Z shape. All right. Let me go here. That's Z. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Yeah. The Z shape. Here another one, but rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Then the following shape, the T shape. Yeah. We have here the T shape. Okay. Here the T. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But we already have a 2 here, so it can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. And it's connected with that box, should be so also a 1. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. So 1 box left in this dual box for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Okay. More T-shapes. Well, this box, forget, this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay, so this box, oh wait, other color has the same number as that box. Yeah. Okay. T-shape. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 4. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. T shapes. Then another shape, this one. Yeah, let me draw this here. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. It's the same number. It's a 2, so let me put the 2 there. Okay, here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape. Overlook this T shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. And that box has the same number as this box. Overlook this one. Yes, we have 3 T shapes. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me put this here. Yeah, let me put this here. Yeah. Okay. This shape. Remember, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, this box has the same number as that box. But do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one. Then the following shape, the L shape. This is rotated. Alright. Remember that if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So we have in this puzzle only 4 figures or shapes that you need to recognize. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6, but in this puzzle we have only 5 of them. There are more. In this puzzle we have only 5. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so let's get starting filling the numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 1 here and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can it be a 2. That box can it be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and 5, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 5. Okay. So I needed 4 in the T shape. One of these boxes is a 4. Well, this box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T shape for the numbers 3 and 5. Okay, 3 and 5. This box cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Then, well. Let me think. Position the camera. Okay. Okay. 9 minutes already passed. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 3, 2 or 4. Think 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3 or 4, so definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here. This box I've marked 3 or a 5. Well, can it be a 5 because it's in the same area, so this box should be a 3, and this box is connected with that box should be also a 3, and this box is connected with that box should be also a 3. One box left in this T-shaped area for the number 5. One box left in this L-shaped area for the number 5. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. It cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3 in the same area, and cannot be a 4. We have a double 4 here, so definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for the numbers 4 and 2. 2 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 or 4. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Okay, this is a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Okay. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Again, 2 and 4. Well, we have a 2 here, so it cannot be a 2 anymore, this box. This box should be a 4, and that box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. All right. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be so a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me think. This box in this triple box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place a 2 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. But we already have a 2 there. So it's not the solution to place the 2 here. The only place for the 2 should be here. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box should be here. Okay. Then. Let me see. This box cannot be 1 and a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 5. That box, these 2 boxes cannot be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5, 3. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I'm thinking. This box cannot be a 3. Double 2, but we already have a 2 there. So this this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. So we have the 1 and the 3 left. 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. 1 and a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 3. But we already have a 3 here, so it cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, so this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this triple box for the number 3. 2 boxes left for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, okay, 3 and 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it must be a 3. If I place a 5 here, it cannot be a 5. We have a 5 here. So the 5 should be there and the 3 goes here. And this box is not connected. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3 and this box should be a 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 5. Can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Did I make a mistake? Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 5 here, otherwise this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5, but we already have a 5 here, so it's not a solution to place the 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be there. Okay. We have a 3 here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 5 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 boxes left in this Z construction for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. And 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic, but is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No, because a 2 stars puzzle is 15 to 20 minutes for 2 stars, and I've solved this in 18 minutes, so I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the quintuplet, and for the killer Sudokus. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles, I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Thursday. Yes, until then, bye-bye for now.